Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on these red keys. I'm also going to show you which battery type it takes. These red keys were found in Alfa Romeo 166, 156, GTV and so on. It's pretty simple to replace the battery. All you need is a coin. Just put it in this little slot right here and twist. Now as you can see, the key will separate, and there you go. Now here's the battery inside. The battery type is CR2032. However, I've actually seen different type of batteries inside these. The CR2016s, and they were actually stacked. There were two of them. In this case, it is a this CR2032. So that's basically what we are gonna do real fast. I'm gonna get a new battery. I'm just gonna put it right here, make sure it's seated properly, and I'm gonna put the key back together. And that is basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of the